found our way to Old Town, downtown Sacramento. It's really cute. It's like a little Old Town Western area. There's lots of shops, restaurants, cute little Riverwalk area, and everything just looks like Old Town, like a Western town. So we're gonna see what there is to explore in Sacramento as we make our way up north on our California adventure. Woohoo! Globetrotters on the go. We are always finding stuff, you know, because we're always on the go, always on the run,
and always having fun.
Okay, so we found ourselves in downtown Sacramento, and we're headed into the state capitol. State capitol, it's beautiful. I do believe there's a museum there, and I think I want to go in there and check that out just to see what kind of history the Sacramento State Capitol Museum has to offer us. There's some cool little event happening over there. I would love to find out if we can kind of sneak in, but who knows. But there's the state capitol. Looks gorgeous, as most state capitals do. And we're going to find out what we can learn about the state of California.
And I wanted to say, this is what I wanted to say. I wanted to say that too. Yeah, this is what I want to say.
Only in California would you find a lovely citrus tree, an orange tree on the grounds of the state capitol. Look at that. So my question is, if an orange falls from the tree, Michael, can you eat it? This is really pretty. Look at that. And there's like a row of them right here. So the azaleas are in bloom. In California. It's really pretty. All different colors. This is a lovely little garden that is on the state capitol grounds. Lovely. This is the grove of trees. What a great place. But beautiful. There's lots of other things here besides just these amazing trees. We get to see these lovely flowers.
This would have been a perfect spot to bring our sandwiches.
And that's Globetrotter Michael just telling everybody that we basically scavenged the leftovers from our dinner last night, brought it back to our upgraded 2-room hotel suite last night, and then this morning made some barbecue rib and barbecue chicken sandwiches to go. So here we are at the state capitol. We finished our tour of the museum, which was very interesting. And then, of course, as almost always happens when we're out traveling, we come across I wouldn't really call this a festival. As happens at a lot of state capitals, there's always people lobbying for their cause. And this particular cause is focused on survivors of violent crime and their families, victims and families as well. So we had a chance to talk to a lady who is part of the ambassadors group here, and she shared some good information with us. What did you learn, Michael?
Well, one of the things I learned is that oftentimes when a family is the victim of a particular crime, when that event takes place, the police arrive, care is given, but then also, a few days later, everything kind of dissipates and go away. And what these folks out here are really trying to do is educate the populace about, once a crime starts or it takes place, it's not an end-all, end-all. There's a continual process. There are resources that are available for the families that could help them get through the process.
Yeah, so they are working to lobby for increased funding for crime victims and their families, changes in some of the policies with regards to the proliferation of guns in communities of color, as well as some other very important issues. I'll make sure that you are aware of these issues in your own area, because crime unfortunately affects us all, and we want to make sure that all of our communities are as safe as possible.